isasagutan natin tong integral problem. So, evaluate lang natin yung integral. Okay? So, ito, gagamit lang tayo ng identity. Okay? Anong gagamitin natin identity? Diba? If we recall the cosine 2t, okay, it is equal to cosine squared, okay, cosine squared t minus sine squared t. Okay? Pero since ang meron lang tayo dito is cosine, so ibig sabihin yung sine, i-express natin siya in terms of cos. Okay? So using yung Pythagorean identity, okay, we have cosine squared t minus 1 minus cosine squared t. Okay? So simplifying, so you will get cosine 2t is equal to, ito, magiging 2 cosine squared na siya. T minus 1. Okay? Then lipat mo sa kabila. So therefore, we have 1 plus cosine 2t is equal to 2 cosine squared t. Okay? So itong 1 plus 2 cosine 2t, equal lang siya sa 2 cosine squared t. So papalitan natin to ng 2 cosine squared t. Okay? So we have the integral 1 plus cosine squared t cosine squared t dt all over 2 cosine squared t. Okay? Now, split na natin siya into 2 fraction. Okay? So, yung una, we have 1 half. Okay, 1 half integral ng 1 over cosine squared t, that's secant squared t dt. Okay? Plus, okay, cosine squared t all over 2 cosine squared t, so simply plus 1 half dt. Okay, split lang natin siya into 2 integral. Okay, i-separate lang natin yung 2 cosine squared t sa 1 plus cosine squared t. Okay, so ayan na siya. Diba? May direct formula tayo sa integral ng cosine squared. Ano ba integral ng cosine squared? That is simply tan, di ba? So 1 half tan t. Okay? Plus 1 half t. Okay? Kasi dt na lang yan. Then, huwag kakalimutan yung plus c. Okay? Ito na yung ating final answer. Okay, so ganoon lang siya. No? Pag-simplify natin, okay, gumamit lang tayo ng identity ng 1 plus cosine 2t. Okay? So, ganoon lang siya. No? So, that's it for this problem. So, thank you for watching.